Hey YouTube, thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for joining us on this short video about this ruggedized case that I use for my Hubsan Zino. I know you guys have been asking questions about it, what it is, and where I got it. So I put a video together to answer this question. So let's get into it. Yeah, so let's get into this video, guys. This is the Apache 3800 case. I bought it from Harbor Freight. It was $39.99. It had a 20% discount coupon. So I got it, close to $35 after tax. So here's the specs on it. You can see it's IP65 rated for dust and water tightness. And is a pick and pull system, so you're able to customize it to your sensitive equipment that you're carrying. It is very durable, it is rugged, and it has these two lock pad holes that you can lock this thing down, and you can see the internal dimensions there as 14 inches by 14 and 15/16 by 10 and 9/16 by 6 and 11/16 inches in dimension. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to open up this case and show you what we have inside. You can see the padlocks here, and the other thing to note here is this pressure relief valve for depressurizing it once you get off the airplane. And it's got very nice latches and a very strong hinge. And here we are. You can see inside this guy where everything's laid out, right? So back here I have my AC adapter. And then I have my spare props, screwdriver, spare USB cables for the controller. Your hobby grade controller here by Hubsan. You can see that. Then we have the hobby grade custom charging cable for the battery, and here's the battery itself. Everything fits in there very nicely. Now moving on, here we have the controller, and as you can see it comes out really, really nice because of the fact that you can pick and pull these little squares. And I chose to leave my cable in it so it doesn't get so many pulls, insertions on that port, and so it's easy in, easy out. Okay, very nice, makes it convenient. And here is the Hubsan Zino here, and what we see in this particular case, I had to use let me see, reach across here, sorry about that. I had to use this little slim X-Acto knife to just kind of cut around the edges. First I traced it out, and then I cut all the way around, and then started pulling the foam out. Let me see if I can show you here. Yeah, here's probably a good example of this pick and pull foam here. It's kind of come loose a little bit, but you can see how easy it is to just pick and pull these little squares out to give you the exact shape you need of the item that you're trying to protect in this ruggedized case. So I hope this video helps you guys out. This box, again, I purchased it from Harbor Freight, and it's sold there for $39.99, and it's a great buy and a very rugged case. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more stuff about the Zino and the other quadcopters, continue watching the channel. Thanks for joining, and have a great day.